Hi, this is Ryan Brown with Certified Partner MED. We provide a wide range of services designed for companies at all stages of their D-Tools implementation. We've worked with over 600 companies in the last 10 years and would like the opportunity to work with you. For this quick tip, I'm going to show you how to use report definitions to get a lot of flexibility from your reporting in D-Tools. The first thing you want to do is go to the reports area in the navigator. Now once you're here on reports, I'm going to go ahead and show you the proposal with graphics. I'm going to expand it out to show you its report definition. Report definitions allow us to save a specific way that a report will be run, so we don't have to make those changes each time. So I can set up a definition to run exactly the way I want, but I can also modify it on the fly to get different output. Now the first thing I'm going to do is select this by location definition, right click, and choose to edit the report definition. Now one important thing to understand is that editing the report definitions can only be done from here in the navigator. It cannot be done when I'm running reports from inside of a project. So inside the report definition there are a few things. We have the definition's name, grouping settings, parameter settings, the definition criteria summary, which is basically a summary of all of its settings, and I can also set a definition to be the default report criteria, meaning that if I were to just double click on the word proposal with graphics, this is the definition that gets used by D-Tools. Okay, so if I want to set my grouping, I can choose up to 3 layers of grouping, and I can drop this down and choose from the available fields. I'm going to go ahead and just make it location by zone, so I can change my description here to reflect that. Now I'm going to click over here on the parameters tab and show you a little bit about these parameters. This is probably one of the most underused portions of the reporting system. I run into users all the time who have never seen how I can change these definitions and modify these parameters. So it's a source of frustration for a lot of users. That's why I wanted to make this quick tip about report definitions. So you'll notice these are all the different report definitions, or these are all the different parameter settings that I have available for this particular report. I can show labor by phase in the summary. I can turn that on or off. If I don't show labor by phase in the summary, it's just going to give me a summarized version of that information. We can choose to show page headers and footers. We can choose to show labor items or not. I have 3 ways of viewing my packages and my accessories. I can summarize all packages, I can summarize none of my packages, or I can summarize based on the individual item setting. You have those same 3 choices for your accessories. Now I can also choose to show the model number or not, and I can also choose to show 2 levels of pricing. Item level pricing is going to be the package prices or parent level items or items that do not have accessories. Detail prices are going to be the prices for what we call level 2 and level 3 items. Those are going to be accessory products or items within a package. So detail prices hide the prices of accessories or of items in a package, whereas item prices work higher up the food chain. So play around with those and you'll get a feel for how that works. So now that I've gone ahead and chosen my settings, I can click Save and run my report with my modified report definition. This has been a D-Tools quick tip provided by Media Environment Design.